Convertible car seats for more than 5,500 hours. A child's car seat is one of the most important purchases you'll make as a parent or caregiver. Convertible car seats are a particularly smart choice because they evolve into multiple modes of use to accommodate growing kids from birth up to 10 years old, transforming from rear-facing to forward-facing to booster. When choosing a convertible car seat, you'll want to consider safety features, height and weight recommendations, ease of installation and use, comfort, size, cleaning instructions, durability, harness type, and additional features like machine washable material, adjustable headrests, and a multi-position recline. When testing convertible car seats, we first unboxed them and reviewed the instruction manuals to ensure proper installation. Next, we set a timer and installed each convertible car seat using both the seat belt and latch systems. We then wiggled the seats from side to side and front to back to ensure we followed the 1-inch rule. The seat should not move more than 1 inch in any direction. After completing the installation, we placed our children into the car seats and secured the harnesses, positioning the chest clips just below their armpits before tightening them to fit. We used the convertible car seats almost daily during the initial 4-week testing period to determine ease of use, durability, and safety. We also cleaned each car seat according to the manufacturer's recommendations when needed. After thorough testing, we chose the 5 best convertible car seats to feature in our article. Our editors and their kids continue to use these convertible car seats in their daily routines to help determine their long-term quality and durability. We will update this list as our editors provide additional feedback to ensure we recommend the best convertible car seats. Graco Extend2Fit Convertible, the best convertible car seat. The Graco Extend2Fit Convertible does a superior job of keeping your child rear-facing longer, and it's straightforward to install and use. The Graco Extend2Fit Convertible has a lot going for it, including pretty easy installation, thoughtful features, and great value for the price. But most importantly, this seat excels at keeping your kid comfortable while they ride rear-facing, the safest position for a young child for longer. Many large toddlers and preschoolers struggle to stay rear-facing in their car seats because at a certain point they start to feel squashed. The Extend2Fit Convertible addresses that problem by adding an extension panel to the seat that pulls out to provide 5 inches of extra legroom in rear-facing mode. Kids can remain rear-facing in the Extend2Fit Convertible until they reach 50 pounds, the highest capacity of the seats we tested. Our also great convertible pick, the Clek Foonf, has a 50-pound rear-facing weight limit too. We found installing the seat to be quick and intuitive, particularly when using Latch, which stands for Lower Anchors and Tethers for Children, a system that lets you attach a pair of metal hooks on the seat to a set of anchors built into the car. The Extend2Fit Convertible's latch install system can be used for children who weigh up to 45 pounds, the highest latch weight limit of any of the seats we tested. Also, the seat is lightweight and has a no-rethread harness, so as your kid grows, you don't have to take the seat apart to adjust the straps. Even though the fabric isn't as stain-resistant as we'd like, consider going with a dark color. The cover is machine washable. Britax Boulevard ClickTight, the easiest convertible seat to install by far, but not the best for extended rear-facing use. Like the other seats in Britax's ClickTight line, the Boulevard ClickTight requires less effort to install than any other seat we tested. Plus, it looks and feels plusher than our top pick. The Britax Boulevard ClickTight is a stylish and user-friendly seat that stands out for its incredibly easy installation. It features Britax's innovative ClickTight installation system. You thread the vehicle's seat belt through a path beneath the Boulevard's seat cushion and close the seat cushion, and then a built-in mechanism tightens everything securely into place. No grunting, sweating, or swearing required. You can also use Latch to install the Boulevard, but Britax recommends the seatbelt method, and we agree. Like our top pick, the Graco Extend2Fit Convertible, the Boulevard has a no-rethread harness that makes ongoing strap adjustments hassle-free. But like the majority of convertible seats out there, this seat can only be used in the rear-facing position for kids weighing up to 40 pounds, 10 pounds less than with our top pick. And in our experience, the Boulevard doesn't provide much legroom in rear-facing mode, so it may encourage caregivers to turn their kids forward-facing sooner than experts recommend. If keeping your child rear-facing for as long as possible is the #1 priority, then we think you'd be better served by our other picks. However, if a fast and convenient install matters most, then the Boulevard is your best bet. Weight of seat: 29.4 pounds. Seat dimensions: 18.5 inches wide by 23.5 inches tall with the headrest in its lowest position. Passenger rear facing weight and height range: 5 to 40 pounds. Head must be at least 1 inch below the top of the headrests. Passenger forward facing weight and height range: 20 to 65 pounds. Up to 49 inches. The top of the child's ears must also be below the top of the headrests. Clek Foonf convertible car seat. Built like a tank, but fissier to install rear-facing. The Clek Foonf is a high-end convertible seat that's great for extended rear-facing use. Also, it's narrow and easy to keep clean. And it comes with the added safety feature of an anti-rebound bar. The Clek Foonf offers an appealing combination of safety features, handsome aesthetics, and clever engineering. At 38 pounds, it's heavy as all get out, something people are likely to either love because it feels like a tank or hate because it's a monster to move. Similar to the Graco Extend2Fit Convertible, our top pick, the Foonf can comfortably accommodate a child in the rear-facing position until they reach 50 pounds. This seat doesn't have a pull-out extension for added legroom like the Extend2Fit Convertible do. But the design of the Foonf and the way it reclines both make it feel roomy and spacious when rear-facing, even for dollar kids. The Foonf also comes with an added safety feature, an anti-rebound bar, which is a steel support piece that, in the case of a crash, can help to reduce the rebound motion of the seat. Installing the Foonf in the forward-facing position with Latch is beyond easy. However, the rear-facing install of the Foonf is a bit tricky. It definitely requires more force and effort than either the Graco Extend2Fit Convertible or the Britax Boulevard. Once the Foonf is installed, it feels rock solid, but it may be a better fit for families that don't need to move the seat frequently, especially when it's in rear-facing mode. The Foonf's footprint: 17 inches at its widest point, is among the narrowest in the convertible category, which makes it a good candidate for families that need to fit 3 seats across in a single row. The seat comes in a range of stylish, sophisticated color and fabric options, and the material is unusually easy to keep clean. Weight of seat: 33 pounds when forward-facing, 38 pounds when rear-facing with added base and anti-rebound bar. Seat dimensions: 13 inches wide at the base, 17 inches at the widest point, and 28 inches tall forward-facing, with the headrest in the lowest position. Passenger rear-facing weight and height range: 14 to 50 pounds or 5 pounds if you purchase a Clek infant thingy. 25 to 43 inches, 19 inches with use of the infant thingy. Passenger forward-facing weight and height range: 22 to 65 pounds. Up to 49 inches. The top of the child's ears must also be below the top of the headrest. Best slim: Diono Radian 3RXT convertible par seat with SafePlus. Whether you're welcoming a new addition, are limited on space, or simply need to accommodate 3 car seats, the slim design of the Diono Radian 3RX is the solution. This convertible car seat works from birth, 5-pound minimum up to 120 pounds and 57.1 inches tall, through 3 modes: rear-facing, forward-facing, and high-back booster. Kids will love the 12-position headrest for all modes of use to ride comfortably. In addition, the company includes a newborn travel wedge and 2-in-1 infant positioning line for your family's newest arrival. While the 3-across car seat doesn't offer recline positions, it installs with a recline in rear-facing mode. If you find the recline too much, Diono sells an angle leveler to create a more upright position. We love how quick and simple the machine washable material is to clean. During our testing period, we gently spot cleaned it and vacuumed it when necessary, and the fabric is still smooth and soft after months of use. The color slightly faded over time, but it's not discolored or torn in any places. A 5-point harness is a breeze to adjust, and the buckles gave us no issues, even when the car seat was taken on a plane to Europe. Installing it in a European vehicle was a little challenging, but we got the hang of it and felt thankful for the seat's compact design. The par seat's ClickTight technology, or self-tensioning system, removes the guesswork of a stable installation in both a plane and a vehicle. Another big plus of the Diono Radian 3RX is its folding capability for quick transportation in airline terminals or storage in a vehicle. If you travel often or need a 3-across car seat, this Diono option won't disappoint you. Its higher price tag is worth its travel-friendly features, like the folding function and slim design, and it grows with your child. Best overall? Evenflo Goldar EVOLVE 360 Rotational All-in-One Convertible Car Seat. The rotating capability, straightforward installation, and many safety features of the Evenflo Goldar EVOLVE 360 Convertible Car Seat blew us away. This rotating car seat swivels effortlessly 360 degrees to get a child in or out in all modes, including rear-facing 4 to 40 pounds, forward-facing 22 to 65 pounds, and high-back booster 40 to 120 pounds. To rotate, pull up one of the levers on either side of the car seat and spin it until you hear it click into place. We loved being able to rotate the seat one-handed while still holding a child in the other hand. Installing the Evenflo Goldar EVOLVE 360 is straightforward and took us only 12 minutes on the first try. The QR code on the seat leads you to helpful tutorial videos for 2 installation options: seat belt and tether, or lower anchor and tether, also known as latch. A unique locking mechanism in the base keeps the whole unit safe and secure. In addition to a clicking sound, level and locking indicators on the seat and base turn green to ensure a proper and safe installation. We can confirm that the Evenflo car seat felt sturdy following installation and never budged during car rides. Conveniently, a pocket on the back of the seat stores the manual in case you need to reference it later. To accommodate growing kiddos, the convertible car seat features a 14-position adjustable headrest no-rethread harness, 1 recline position in forward-facing mode, and 4 recline positions in rear-facing mode, though you may need to move the driver or passenger seat forward to make room. Children will also love having 2 cup holders for water bottles, snacks, or small toys. Buckles on the 5-point safety harness are a breeze to manage and easily adjust to fit the rider comfortably. The dreaded red button on a car seat safety buckle wasn't dreadful at all. We unbuckled it one-handed with 0 effort. Available in 4-color moonstone gray, opal pink, onyx black, and sapphire blue, plush polyester material on this car seat is comfortable for tiny tushes and provides trouble-free cleaning for adults. The EVOLVE 360 seat is removed from the base by rotating it out of the locked position, which is very helpful if you need to take it out for thorough cleaning. One of our parenting editors even took the seat inside their home to vacuum out crumbs, avoiding a trip to the car wash or gas station vacuums. The seat pad is machine washable in cold water on a delicate cycle, and the safety harnesses wipe clean with mild soap and water before air drying. You can also give the crotch buckle a thorough wash by placing it in a cup of warm water and gently agitating it back and forth, but you should avoid submerging the harness strap. We find the cost of the Evenflo Goldar EVOLVE 360 reflective of its intuitive and useful features, especially the 360-degree rotation. Additionally, the car seat grows with your child without giving up the rotation function. Register the EVOLVE 360 to activate the company's lifetime warranty that covers manufacturing